If I come in feeling like a 9, I'm gonna push to feel like a 10 before I leave. If I come in feeling like a 3, no one in the gym is gonna judge you for it being your first time, because everybody in there at one point, it was also their first time. I thought it was the perfect time to make my how to get into your gym girl era video. I would define a gym girl era as a mindset and a lifestyle that's focused on fitness, health and well-being, mental well-being, mind, body, spirit, all of it. I don't think it's just the body. It's a lifestyle. So unless you're ready to literally change your whole entire life, this wouldn't be for you. Step number 1 would be to set the right mindset. You want to focus more on your goals versus the aesthetics. Yes, the body is going to give. Yes, you're going to get what you want. You're going to look the way you want. But that cannot be your only goal or your driving force, because you need something to motivate you to get on the horse and ride it. That can't just be something aesthetic. Setting a goal based on strength, endurance, mental health, something more than just physical appearance will help you stay committed. I just was focused on my happiness, the endorphins. There's so much science behind what working out does for your mind. It's like actually crazy. That was my motivation. You pick whatever motivates you. There's so many other benefits to being healthy. Figure out something that's really gonna like outlast the looks. Step number 2, overcoming gym anxiety. So this is a topic that I feel like is not talked about enough. Some tips to overcome that: getting a workout partner, looking up workouts online, find something that you want to do. Nike has guided workouts. There's so many different guided workouts. Start small. Like, don't go in there thinking I have to work out for an hour. If you're just starting, literally committing to just doing 10 minutes on a treadmill and getting your behind in the gym, that is progress. As little as that sounds, that is something, and you're going to build it up. Even someone told me one time, which is the craziest tip, but honestly, I took it, was sometimes just getting to the gym is enough. Like, even if you plan to just get into the gym and not even do one single thing, being around the equipment and around people taking care of their bodies is literally motivation enough for you to say, the first step is out of the way. The hardest thing sometimes is just getting there. When you take the pressure off having to perform, that will make you want to do it more. Even if I just go and put my yoga mat down, sit, stretch for 10 minutes. And then once I get there, then I'm like, this isn't that bad. Let me do a little machine. And sometimes there were days where I would just go and sit in the sauna and I would go home. But at least I am putting the gym into my daily routine. It sounds crazy, but you guys, trust me, it literally works like a charm. And then remember that everybody's there for their own journey. Nobody's even focused or worried about what you're doing. When you go to the gym more and more, like, you're gonna have your machines you gotta hit. Like, you have a routine, you have things and goals. You're not worried about what anyone else is doing. You're worried about getting everything you gotta get done. No one is judging. And then also too, I want to highlight that this journey, it's going to take time. It's going to take patience. After 2 weeks though, I do start seeing results. I really do. Like I said, it's not a overnight fix. It's a lifestyle change. Like, you are just going to be different at the end of it. The next tip would be to find a workout routine that you love. There's so many different types of workouts out there, you guys. It could honestly feel a little bit overwhelming with how much workouts there are. But the best thing is you are going to find something that works for you. Try Pilates, try HIIT workouts, try yoga, try Zumba, spinning, weightlifting. Find what fits best for you. I'm not a fan of weightlifting. I'm just not. And I'm okay with that. I accept that. I know where I thrive. I love running. I love cardio. So I do what I like. I do what I like as long as I go in there and I commit to doing 30 minutes to an hour of working out. I am good. That's what matters, is that you're there and that you're showing up and that you're consistent. Don't let somebody tell you you got to do this if you want to look like this or whatever it is. You find what works for you. There's calisthenics. There's like workouts for any part body. There's infinite amount of ways to get there. Overall, health wise, the most important thing is that you're being active every day, at least 5 times a week, I would say. With the workout routine, you want to find something that works with your schedule, with your lifestyle. So say, for example, you work Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Find a gym that's open late. I used to love 24-hour fitness when I was like super party girl. I would go out club, come home, change, go to the gym at 3 in the morning and get a whole workout in. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie, like those workouts, I think I would pump the most sweat. The girl was just going. After work, go home, eat, change, get dressed, then go to the gym. You could make it work for you, babe. There is no rules to this. As long as you keep showing up, that's the number one key. And like I said, don't feel embarrassed if it's your first time. Everyone started there. No one in the gym is gonna judge you for it being your first time because everybody in there at one point, it was also their first time. It's only the people who are like sitting at home afraid going. Y'all the only ones who are thinking like that. I know this video is kind of long, but I want to cover all the bases so y'all feel ready to go and there's no stone left unturned. You can create a little weekly plan for you where you say maybe Monday I'll do arms, Tuesday I'll do legs, Wednesday I'll do core, and then Thursday I'll do full body. I'll give you guys my like kind of workout routine. I think I do more like a full body every single day. I usually typically start off stretching and then cardio is always number one for me. I like to get my blood pumping. I like that runner's high. So I'll do either elliptical, treadmills, typically what I will do. I'll run a mile, Stairmaster, something with cardio to just get my heart rate up and pumping. After that, I typically will grab some weights. I'll bring it into like the free weight room or into the dance room and I'll bring my mat and then I'll do like core, I'll do yoga, Pilates. Sometimes I'll follow along with the class and then I'll do some like lifting and stuff. If you have the means, maybe hire a trainer. I know for me, when I work out with a trainer, I get a lot more done than when I'm by myself. Invest in some nice workout clothes. I know this sounds superficial, but if you look good, you feel good. Personally, I don't just work out in like somebody's old raggy ass t-shirt. Okay, I just don't do it because I want to feel like my best self because it's gonna make me even work to better myself. You know, if I come in feeling like a 9, I'm gonna push to feel like a 10 before I leave. If I come in feeling like a 3, you lucky if I even hit a 4 or a 5 before I leave. I like wearing like tighter clothes to the gym for the most part just because I could actually see like the shape, girl, it's giving. And then I could like, while I'm working out, kind of remind myself when I'm looking in the mirror, like, okay, core engaged. Like you really see what you're working with. You see your form. If you have a big t-shirt and like a big jacket, you can't really see what's going on. I like clothes that I could go out, run, do errands. Like I look cute, but I also can get a workout in. You know what I mean? Another thing that I do, I always leave a workout outfit in my car. I try to at all times have sneakers in my car and a workout set in my car in case you're just out, you don't have time to go home. Like you never have an excuse of why you can't go to the gym. If someone invites you to work out with them last minute, you always have like a little bit in your car that you could just throw something on and you're ready to go. Stay ready so you don't gotta get ready. Even if you're traveling, make sure you always pack some running sneakers, a sports bra, because anywhere you're at, you can go for a jog. That's the beauty of it. Get you a good workout playlist, something that's gonna push you, motivate you, whatever it is. Some people work out to jazz, some people work out to trap. That is up to you. Okay, if you want to work out to gospel, baby, hallelujah. The next tip would be focusing on nutrition. So it's not just working out, it's also nutrition. I find that the more I work out, the better I just naturally want to eat because I'm like, the work you put in, you don't want to just reverse everything you just did just to eat like a greasy burger or something. So like I definitely think it just goes hand in hand. This is like my last step, and my favorite step is how to stay motivated. A gym buddy is probably the cheat code. There's nothing else you get from this video. Try to find yourself a gym buddy. And sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, you're gonna have to go at it alone. Your gym buddy, even if you have one, they're not always gonna be available. But finding that workout buddy or community, there's so many apps that you could find. Reach out to your friends. Reach out to your friends who maybe they already work out. Maybe they already have a routine. Maybe you like, girl, your body is tea. What is your workout routine, girl? When are you going to the gym? I'm coming. I even have friends, I kid you not, that live in different states with me, and we will be on the gym on the phone together. Like, okay, you went to the gym? All right, me too. Let's go. and we just be on the gym, we talk, or we just be quiet, like doing our reps. Like, okay, what are you working on now? You could do this from anywhere. They don't have to be in your same state. It definitely helps if they do. It definitely helps if they go to the same gym that you do. Or maybe at the gym, if you're feeling, frisky, you can meet somebody at the gym. And then celebrate your wins, celebrate your small wins, celebrate your big wins. Every bit of progress matters. It's a lifelong lifestyle. It's something that is just a part of your life. It begins to be a part of you. Once you start doing it, it's like you can't stop. So those would be my top tips on how to start your gym girl era. Comment maybe your goals, any gym fears that you're going through or that you're overcoming, and what you're most excited for. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.